What's up, guys? It's Brandon Flash. We're here at the Cocoa, Florida Electrify America station. I'm trying to charge my Tesla on Chatamo, but I can't. I just spent 24 minutes on the phone with Electrify America, and they basically told me, tough they can't communicate with it, they can't activate it. I tried activating it with my phone, I tried activating it with tap for NFC with the app, tried using the card reader, but no surprise there, the card reader on this station is not working. And yeah, I've tried everything, just wanted to share my experience. This other station here, which is CCS only, that one's down. It's currently raining. I'm at 18% charge, and now I have to limp my car all the way to Orlando just to get to Daytona Beach because Electrify America didn't work. And here I am with a guy that's never been in an EV before other than a Tesla. We were at the SpaceX launch for Crew Dragon for the Demo 2 mission, and I offered to bring him home because we were hanging out, and this is his first time at any EV charging station, and this is his experience. So, great job, Electrify America. We need to make this better to make EVs ready for everyone. People always ask me, why don't I recommend anything other than Tesla? Oh, you're Tesla biased. Yes, I'm Tesla biased because currently nothing else is reliable and can be trusted to take you anywhere and be your only car. If I was in another car that couldn't use Tesla Superchargers, I wouldn't really have an option right now. And if I wasn't able to get to Orlando, being that I'm at 18%, right now it's projecting that I'll arrive to the East Orlando Supercharger with 3%, and I can't make it to the Port Orange Supercharger because I don't have enough charge. And I was depending on this Electrify America station to be able to top off for 10-15 minutes, get another 15-20%, but thanks Electrify America for nothing, I guess. I'd love to hear what you guys experience on these stations, but I'm now 3 for 3 with having issues with Electrify America. So Electrify America, if you're watching this, please reach out. I'd love to help you improve these stations because they need to be better, but what you're doing right now is not working. All right, so after that failed Electrify America experience, we did arrive to the Supercharger in East Orlando. 3%, which is exactly what the car projected we would arrive with, and watch how easy it is to plug into a Tesla Supercharger. I just unhook the cable from the pedestal, I plug it in, and I'm charging. It's that simple, just to show you in case you've never experienced Tesla charging. If you want to see future content, hit the like button, subscribe button, you know the drill, but yeah, here's hoping Electrify America gets the message and improves their stations.